Hello and welcome everyone back to another video. I just got to the back in crypto video. Hope you guys are doing well, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys are having a great weekend so far. Looking ahead to the working week, guys. I have a video that is absolutely a banger, and frankly, I would say it is overdue. I've been keeping it on the sidelines, and I would say it has successfully withstood the test of time, guys. With great pleasure, I'm going to be reviewing a project over in the BSC network um, called MintStakeShare. Okay, all the links will be in the description. We're going to walk you through it. Kind of reminds me of the OG days of Drip in the previous bull run. Ooh, that created a lot of millionaires. Literally, like and comment down below if you do remember, or if you were in those days. That's basically where my YouTube channel started. It revolved around Drip. This honestly feels like an evolved version of Drip that is more transparent, that is ready to scale, and we're going to be talking about that later in this video as well. So I'm going to be giving you guys a spotlight. Again, I'm not going to go through the entire Git book. I'm going to kind of, I've already read the Git book. Basically, I'm going to tell you guys the bits and pieces, but you have to do your own rest of the research. Okay, I am secondary research. Do your own primary research. So I'm going to leave all those in the description below. Okay, so Mint Stake Share, as I said, this is in the BSC market. What is it about? It's basically about passive income, guys. This is one of the greatest ways to earn money in DeFi, in my opinion, is when you have different funnels of income, and of course, using that eighth wonder of the world, compound interest, as Albert Einstein said. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You know, what I mean, mint stake share. I'm gonna kind of also have a tutorial on how to jump into it. I'm gonna be making a small position myself now. Especially when we have days like these, when Ethereum is down, Bitcoin's down, the whole altcoin season is down. When you have projects like these guys, you're going to be making money regardless. And we're going to be talking about the chart as well behind this, because of course, that's kind of what you're getting paid in as well in the token itself. So this is the chart. It looks actually really good, really strong. We're looking at the previous all-time low, guys. It seems like it's up 68% with a 2 million in market cap and a very respectable liquidity to market cap ratio, fully locked. Beautiful. I like to see that. Oh, actually, correction, fully burnt. You can see that right there. Very, very good. Yeah, we're going to be talking about that. This project is 2 months, 5 days new. Okay, I'm going to assume that, even though that's just a pair life span here, but I do think it is that new, guys. Um, but going back to it, they do have a Telegram. I'm going to leave all the links in the description. They also have a Twitter. A nice little check for me is when I see mutuals following them as well, so I can see there. Which, by the way, I gotta give credits to the people who told me about this project, and it is 3 people. People have been telling me for such a long time. You got my mod in my Telegram, which you need to join. Link in description. Shout out to him, Ace. He's been making good gains. You probably have seen him in the chat as well. He's literally part of the community. And another guy, Anthony as well. Anthony, big time. Thank you, and I'm sorry for you being in Telegram jail. That's my fault. You know what I mean? Telling me about the project and but the sacrifices that people take. You know what I mean? It's all about the sacrifices. And of course, Ray Zero X, guys, the my friend whale, guys. Okay, the guy's been teaching me how to be like a whale, trade like a whale until you become a whale. Okay, and this is one of the steps, of course. Do remember, this is educational. This is entertainment. This is not financial advice, guys. That you have to manage your own risk. Okay, only invest with risk capital. I have to give you guys these advices, but at the end of the day, it is all up to you. I'm just giving a spotlight to a genuine project that do deserve it, needs, and it deserves as well. Because I know I have a lot of people from the Pulsechain side. You never know. Hey, sometimes you gotta adapt, you gotta diversify, expand outside. You know what I mean? You don't just stay within Pulsechain. I do believe that will get its own turn. Okay, this is why sometimes I like doing this. It's a reminder of people, guys. This is honestly, my YouTube channel is a journal, or sorry, it's like a journey coming along with me in my crypto. You know, my channel is basically like a documentary of my crypto journey. So yeah, I'm keeping it transparent as well. This is a really great project. Anyways, so this is what you need is the token. Okay, now there's different ways you can get the token, right? You can mint it, which is using the mint tab right here, and that has a quoted price. Okay, now notice that the price in the PancakeSwap LP is actually way cheaper. Therefore, you should never, or you should not, um, basically buy or mint the token from the website. Instead, just go ahead to the swap. Now you have the swap right here in front of you. Okay, you can also, yes, you can swap it through the normal dexes like PancakeSwap and whatever, but that will have an increased tax. So instead, you'll be saving on some percentages off from the tax by just interacting directly with the basically the native dex embedded in the website, which this one, which I'm going to show you guys today. I'm going to be doing basically 0.25, which I believe it's just over 100. And that should, I think, by the way, because this is a project, if you scroll down, this is a project that basically makes you in the staking 2% daily, but of course you can only collect 1% maximum at a time, which is really, really, really good, guys. This is basically a 2% daily ROI. Use it to your advantage. Being early here is good. Yes, you know what I mean. I could have been earlier in this, but do remember, like days of drip, okay? First 2 months, first few months, first 6 months actually was all sideways action. Okay, so honestly, I don't think it's late. This is why I'm also making this video. If I did think it was late, I would have actually not just made a video about it. Okay, there's been projects that sadly they were so bullish, but I knew I was a little bit late on them, so you just probably have never heard of them, you know what I mean, and stuff like that. So yeah, but I'm really happy to be looking at this. I've been keeping an eye on it, guys. So give this video a like. Let me know if you want me to make update videos about this. Let me know if you want me to interview one of the team members. Honestly, about this, I can come up with really great questions, and in terms of scalability, in terms of vision, in terms of what's the next steps in the market or in their roadmap. We're going to be kind of seeing that today, actually, right now. But at the same time, also want to hear it from the devs, and what's their backgrounds, what makes them seasoned devs in the crypto scene, what makes them confident, what makes them the right people to run the show, etc. It's cool stuff, guys. Let me know what you think. Anyways, going back to, we're going to be swapping because of course the mint price is not worth it at all. So we're going to be swapping with the native dex. I'm going to be doing 0.25. Guys, again, if you are new to the BSC market, you're coming from, let's say, Solana, if you're coming from Pulsechain, if you're coming from Tron, whatever, or even Ton, you can use changenow.io, link in the description. It is a beautiful bridge that I use on a weekly basis. Link in the description. Within minutes, it is in your wallet. You can do it vice versa. It's also an on and off ramp. So yeah, link in the description to that as well. But yeah, going back to it, I'm going to be quickly doing this. You don't need to worry about slippage. You can see this is the quote price. The quote price is what you need to get. And auto stake, I'm going to keep that. You know what? I mean, I know I'm going to stake. So let's just go ahead all the way. I mean, there was an error loading your estimation. I will still trust you. Because BSC, guys, honestly, one of those chains that will never go away. I think even at some point, which is absolutely crazy, BNB was at some point, if you look at the BNB/Bitcoin ratio, there was a point where BNB was almost outpacing the rate of growth compared to Bitcoin. That's a scary thing, okay? But I think I even there was a quote from one of the dev teams. They were saying, no, we do not want to overtake Bitcoin because they understand their place as being the top two, top three, top four, basically networks out there, not the top one, and perhaps not even the top two, because of course Ethereum, that's the one that's basically the fork of it, like it's the parent of Ethereum. BNB, that's what it is. So yeah, anyways, guys, BNB is one of those tokens where I truly do see this reaching 2,000. You know what I mean? Above 1,000, 2,000, 2025. So it's really a great place to be here, honestly. So it feels like home. Cheap, cheap gas fees, very, very nice and scalable. Uh, obviously PancakeSwap is such an OG, and yeah, and obviously EVM compatible. Guys, you already know. Anyways, so I clicked that. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be going to staking, and as simple as that, guys. Wow. Honestly, I actually really like the UI on it. Yeah, you can see here $124. So technically, if I pull up my trusty calculator, if I bring 125 times 0.002, I will be making, no, that's wrong. Apologies. 125 times 0.02, actually not 0.02, which is 2%. I'll be making $2.5. Now, of course, with the power of compound interest, I'm gonna be compounding that until that becomes, you never know, $10 a day, $20 a day, $30, 40, 50. dollars a day, and then you can keep slowly doing that until I reach triple digits. Now, at the same time, you want to have a nice balance. You also want to get your initial back while aiming to, increase your buying power, I guess. You want to come up with your own formula where, for example, and I believe I was reading it in the good book, it says you cannot keep accumulating for above 7 days. You have to make an action. Okay, so if, let's say, if you're AFK for 7 days, your rewards will get stuck basically at the seventh day. It won't change, it won't increase. Okay, so you can't really abuse the system where you will forget about it, come next, and then dump it big time. Yeah, that's what you need to do. You have to make a decision, and of course, you can only collect 1%, even though you're making 2% a day. Okay, so it's a little bit of game theory there. What's the right choices to make? When is the right choices to make? What are the different scenarios as well? It all has to come down to your priority, to your risk capital that you want to, get your initial back. So you're playing only with house money, etc. I want to hear you guys' thoughts on the strategies because honestly, I cannot really recommend one. I haven't been, I'm very new to this myself. I just wanted to kind of make a video showcasing about this. And then again, going back to this is their good book. Welcome to MintStakeShare, a new concept for token distribution focused on fairness and price stability. A staking platform which compounds and incentivizes compounding over collecting. With a fair but rewarding referral system, the reward system will help tremendously with growth as influencers have a big incentive to spread the word. And speaking of that, guys, I will leave the link to the project. And of course, if you click that, it will support me, the small channel that you like watching. I hope you're subscribed, by the way, at no extra cost on your side. So it does keep me going, finding the gems, you know what I mean? Expanding my network and then giving you guys benefits to that. So really hope you guys appreciate videos like this. I'm trying to be as transparent in terms of, hey, what should you look out for with these projects? Because of course, at the end of the day, an important bit actually I wanted to mention. This is lock staking, and of course, it's mentioned in the Gitbook, but I just wanted to mention it in this video as well. This is a lock staking. So if you deposited $1,000, you cannot just change your mind tomorrow and then take that out, withdraw it. The only way you can make or take that $1,000 back is through the daily yield, which is what? 2% daily, which is technically 50 days, right? 50 days. Now there's some taxes here and there, which might make it where you'll need 60 days instead. Let's say, for example, 2 months, right? But you can only collect 1% a day. So I believe that that will times it by two. I'm gonna assume something like that. So maybe 4 months. I don't know. I might have butchered it, guys. Okay, but keep that in mind. The only way you can get back your money is through the daily yield, not from like a clicking a withdrawal button. Okay, that's the one thing you need to know. Looking at the global rank staking stats, 1.2K users. Really like that. Total staked is $1.7 million. It's actually really good. I'm not gonna lie, and you can see global stakes, pretty decent, guys. Honestly, and then yeah, they have a Twitter as well. I really urge everyone to join their Twitter, follow them, follow my Twitter as well. Okay, if you're gonna join their Telegram, go there and say, "Hey, Khaled sent me." I really appreciate your. This is great project, Khaled. Appreciate your project. You know what I mean? And join my Telegram, guys. Go say hi there. Ask me questions. Ask the rest of the community questions. You know what I mean? Share projects that you're really genuinely interested in, not in a weird, soft chilling way. Okay, so keep that in mind, or I swear to God, you're banned. Do you know what I mean? I have literally zero tolerance, guys. Every single day, I have to ban 2 people because they're spamming. Okay, every single day. So yeah, I've clicked that button enough times that I'm desensitized right now from banning people. Okay. Anyways, this is the chart. It looks really good. By the way, a bit of transparency here. Now, when I looked at the chart, I was like, what in the hell is this red candle here? We need to talk about this. There's no way I was going to end the video with not talking about this. Now, this is a candle where, unfortunately, they had an exploit, but it has been since fixed, patched. Thankfully, they've taken away the abuse by, adding those safeguard rails where people cannot abuse the contract, as I mentioned. Stuff like, after the seventh day, if you did no action, it will not carry on accumulating. And as well, other staking, other taxations and stuff like that. So, that's really good. I like that. They're being transparent. I've seen people part of my community that are in the project as well. So that's technically another check, guys. I like to see that. You know what I mean? It lets me know, okay, not just me being a stranger going to a group chat that's using a foreign language. How can I know if this is a real group chat or not? You know what I mean? I'm not speaking with bots or something like that, or just some random village in India. Okay, not that I'm saying anything is wrong with that, but I'm just saying, you know what I mean? Like I wanna know that there's that network effect. Is there the second mutual person that is in this group chat? Anyways, do you guys get what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, yeah. But anyways, guys, I think that basically covers the video. If you go to the docs, which is pretty cool, they do have an audit. Okay, that's actually one of the first. Did you ask that question at the beginning of the video? Okay, there's no way you're considering going to this project before asking the audit question. So I hope you were testing me there, I'm sure. Anyways, this is the audit link, and yeah, you can see the taxation, the sell tax, minting tax, transfer tax is zero, referral stuff is 5% BNB direct to referral, and then you have the roadmap. This is the part I'm really excited, guys, and I'm gonna keep you guys super early on, okay? And I'm not gonna make the same mistake with this one. Guess what? If you see in the phase two where we are right now, launch on base chain. We are basically one step away from that, which is pretty cool. And then they have a lending protocol, which I believe is the MUSD protocol launch. Pretty cool. Bridging available in DApp. Token plus liquidity details for multiple chains available in DApp. Pretty cool stuff, guys, ahead. Okay. This is pretty cool stuff. You can tell that this is not just a dev team that are just forking, I don't know, Olympus DAO or something like that. You know, they've actually got some talent in their hands. They actually have vision. They're continuing to build. They're not one of those people where it's like, oh, you know what I mean? We click deployed once, and now all we're gonna focus is on marketing. That's it. No, 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 no. They're building during bloody market conditions. They're cooking in the background, guys. Let them cook, and let's be part of the ride. You know what I mean? Let's be part of the ride. Would you rather wait and buy or buy and wait type thing? You know what I mean? Not financial advice. That sounds very degen, not financial advice. But I'm just telling you, at these times you want to have multiple funnels of passive income. This is literally what keeps you afloat, and this is literally one of the greatest things actually. You cannot just rely on one thing. This is why I love Pulsex Farms. This is why I love projects like this. Because honestly, guys, even though yes, I'm gonna be making $2.5 away, $2.5 a day, that's actually not bad because you know what I mean. Times that by 30 at the end of the month. I don't know. Some type of bill is getting covered by this. Do you know what I mean? Like, and it's slowly, especially with compound interest, guys. You know what I mean? You cannot underestimate compound interest. You can become a whale by delaying your gratification and just compounding every single day. Or let's say, you compound 3 days in a row and then you claim the fourth. And then you do the same thing, rinse and repeat. You know what I mean? Guys, okay, I've been through this in the previous bull run and it has paid off very well. Okay, that's my strategy. That's what I need you guys to know. At the same time, look after only invest with risk capital because this is locked staking, and of course, at the same time, try to get your initial back. Have a plan to get your initial back. Okay, don't go full on degen mode. Okay, yes, I understand this is a great project. I trust the project, but you just can't not think about getting your initial back at some point because that's you being a non-disciplined trader. Okay, so yeah, keep that in mind, guys. I'm gonna end the video there. Let me know what you think. Give me your honest thoughts. I'll catch you soon.